Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are in the Valdarno area in between Florence and Arezzo. We are here to visit together this beautiful, completely restored and turnkey 1900s villa. It is in the Liberty style and you can admire this beautiful typical turret. The property is in a great location in between two of the best cities of Tuscany. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. A key aspect to mention about the villa is that all of this ground floor is to be restored. The rest is fully restored and it is really already very large with over 5 bedrooms, large kitchen, living area, cinema room, gym. But if one wants a bigger space with additional facilities, you could use this ground floor area even for a spa or whatever room or facility you prefer. On the right side, there is what was the limonaia. The limonaia was used to keep plants and especially lemons in the winter time so they wouldn't die. Nowadays, it could also be used as a garage or as a beautiful indoor area as well for a spa. It is flooded with natural light. In terms of location, the villa is strategically positioned close to the town of Loro Ciuffenna, just 4 kilometers away, and Montevarchi, just about 10 kilometers away. Then there is as well Arezzo, which is 35-minute drive from the villa, and the Chianti area as well, 35-minute drive. Florence is only 50 minutes away with all of its services and restaurants and as well its international airport. On the other side of the villa, we have the incredible swimming pool. It is round and it is positioned close to the house, so it is very comfortable to live indoor and outdoor with this pool. There are these spiral cypress trees all around, giving it further elegance. The villa has just been restored, so all of these trees will be growing further and will become more beautiful as time passes. There is as well a working fountain, which adds and completes this beautiful swimming pool area. Welcome inside the villa. It is 911 square meters in internal spaces, which equals to about 9,800 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms, and this is the main living area. As you can see, it has been completely recently restored. The works have just been finished. This is a Liberty style villa, so one of the main and most beautiful characteristics is for sure this huge amount of natural light that you will find throughout, with these tall windows and many of them to give views on the countryside and light. There are multiple access points to the villa throughout all of this floor. I've passed through this access, which is right by the swimming pool. So from this living area, you can exit and find the swimming pool right there. You find this nice sitting space over here with a working fireplace. There is air conditioning throughout the whole home and radiators for heating. There is also a Wi-Fi system that has been installed throughout. And lots of original details have been left, like this parquet floor in this room, lots of the fixtures, and even you will find some arches and stone pieces. A typical characteristic of Liberty-style villas is this elegant, symmetrical, and aligned internal layout. You can see these tall ceilings and, as I mentioned, lots of windows and openings. Aligned with the sitting space that we've just seen, we find the formal dining area. You will see the kitchen is right next, so very close and very practical. Connected to the dining area through this opening, we get into this other cozy space, also here with tall ceilings and a window giving lots of light and views onto the Tuscan countryside. Right now it is arranged as a chess playing area. It can also be used as an office, as a studio. You could also furnish it as a library. It is a great space to enjoy a chess match as you wait for dinner. From the living space we've just seen, we have this hallway which connects to the rest of the spaces. Let's begin on this side with one of the other best parts of the house, the kitchen. As you can see, it is a very spacious room. The central island is connected to this side over here, which can be either a nice quick lunch table, it can be great for breakfast, or simply it is an extension to the kitchen. If you make pasta or you need a working top, you have a larger extension over there. The kitchen is marvelous. Let's begin with the central part, the island. All of this is bespoke Carrara marble made to measure for these areas. There are all of these parts on the bottom, which are storages. By the way, these details are solid brass handles. All of the island is a spacious working top, while over here we have a large porcelain sink with the tap above. Speaking about the actual kitchen, it is very large and takes up the whole width of this space. We have this whole column over here dedicated to a fridge, while the one on the opposite side dedicated to a refrigerator. Also here we have matching countertops made out of Carrara marble. Then there are below storages. This right here is the dishwasher. At the central, symmetrical, in style with the look of the house, we have the Smeg oven and above an induction stove. Right above then there is the extractor with these details typical of Tuscan homes. Additional storage. As you can see, there are also some antique lights which are symmetrical on the two sides. It's really a beautiful space to entertain and enjoy cooking. By the way, on the floors we have terracotta, which is different to the floors in the living area, which were parquet. One of the most beautiful aspects of this space is that it gets lots of natural light from the windows. All of this light is pretty much mostly from the natural light. Additionally, you can walk out to the outdoor terrace through these doors and enjoy an indoor-outdoor living. From the dining, we exit onto this huge terrace which integrates with the outdoor space, the garden and the olive grove. It is divided in two areas. This first area is a beautiful outdoor dining space. Actually, considering the light in the morning, this is probably best for outdoor breakfast. However, one can also use it for dinner. It's very comfortable being so connected to the kitchen. As you can see, it is paved with terracotta and there are lots of details and shapes of the house that you can admire and look at while you are outside. We keep going on this side. As you can see, right above over here, there is this upper terrace with two volumes. They could be restored and it could be cool to create a nice outdoor barbecue area to enjoy while you are in the terrace right here. The space to the right was probably for animals like chickens, and it could be cool to also do that and have your own eggs or also other animals if you like. The terrace, as you can see, is very broad. Right now it's set up with this sitting area over here, but there is enough space if you also would like an outdoor nice couch arrangement, even with a central fireplace to enjoy in the evening while you look at this spectacular view on the back. By the way, here we are right above the limonaia, which is below that we've seen earlier. We are back inside, and from the hallway that we've seen on the other side of the kitchen, we find this room, which is a games room. Right now it's set up with a snooker table, which is Great fun to enjoy as you wait for the lasagna to cook. Additionally, opposite, there is the access to the swimming pool. So it's a room that is really connected for an indoor-outdoor living of the house. As we keep going through the hallway, still to the left and with access to the swimming pool, we find the cinema room. It's an incredible space to have in a villa like this. I love this dark green on all over the walls. There also is terracotta on the floors and the same tall and beautiful ceilings, perfect for a cinema. There is a projector up above at the center, and I love these velvet curtains that complete the cinema look and make it ideal. From the cinema room, opposite to it, we have the library space of the house, and symmetrical, we find the bathroom, which is also equipped with a bathtub or shower. This is the bathroom that serves the ground floor spaces, so ideal for guests. Finally, to my left, to complete this ground floor, we have the gym, which is nice and spacious, fully equipped. As I mentioned, the home is sold with the furnishings, so all of this as well comes with the sale. Of course, there is air conditioning, lots of mirrors on this side, and you can admire the outdoor spaces through this window. Welcome to the upper floor. As you can see, there is a beautiful staircase going up, and up here we have a similar layout with a spacious hallway that connects all of the 5 bedrooms, up to 6 of this floor. Let's begin with the primary bedroom, which is over here, and it extends on the whole width of the villa. We notice all of the key aspects of the property with these tall ceilings, flooded with natural light. Only this room has 3 large windows. Beginning from this window, there is a nice balcony where you can enjoy some nice views of the countryside in the morning. The bed at the center, all made out of wood. As I mentioned, all furnishings are included, making this room perfectly turnkey. There is air conditioning, there is also a working fireplace over here. And finally, one of the key aspects is this beautiful private terrace for the primary bedroom. Connected to the bedroom, to the left, we have this just as spacious walk-in closet. These spots are perfect for some nice wardrobes or some bespoke piece of furnishings for the clothes, and there is enough space for a central island. You have really tall ceilings, and a feature I love, since next there is the laundry room, there is this opening where you can throw the dirty clothes and it goes directly into the laundry area. Finally, we have the ensuite bathroom with shower. On the floor there is some original terracotta with a beautiful pattern and even a large window overlooking outside. To the left, you access to the turret of the villa with a beautiful spot with an outdoor bathtub, which I will show you in the end. Right by the primary bedroom, connecting into the hallway, we find the spacious laundry area. As you can see, it also is flooded with natural light, tall ceilings. It's beautiful in such a villa to have such a beautiful laundry area. There is washer and dryer, a spacious double sink, and these antique piece of furnishings, ideal for towels or for linens for the whole house. As we keep going down the hallway, we find the rest of the bedrooms. There are 2 symmetrical bedrooms, one here and one here. They both get lots of natural light. This one more in the morning, this one more in the afternoon. They both have beautiful terracotta floors and these tall ceilings and have a double bed. As we keep going, we find these marble details which connect the antique floor with the terracotta floor. We have a 3rd bedroom over here in the same style of the ones we've seen. These 3 bedrooms share this very spacious bathroom over here, which is divided into two areas. So technically it could be considered like two bathrooms. In one there is a bathtub, and in the other section there is a shower. In the end of the hallway there are the last two bedrooms which share this central bathroom with shower. This is one of them. Has these original floors right here which are really full of personality. And outside it overlooks the swimming pool area with the pool and the views on the back. Another added bonus is that through this door you can exit onto the outdoor garden on the olive grove area. This could also be great if you would like to give this room to a guest and it has its own independent access without passing through the whole house. From the primary bedroom bathroom, I mentioned there was access to the turret, and here we are. You can see there are these tall openings. It is spacious but at the same time contained and cozy. There are these curtains that give this beautiful effect. And up here it is an ideal spot for this dreamy bathtub area, perfect to enjoy a hot bath while you overlook the Tuscan countryside. It is also a perfect spot to conclude today's property tour. I think this home would be ideal either for someone that would like a beautiful holiday home for the family and for the friends. There are lots of bedrooms and lots of spaces that are additional to be developed, or as well as a rental investment. The location is ideal. We are in between Florence and Arezzo, some of the most beautiful cities of Tuscany. We are close to the highway, but at the same time we are immersed in the countryside. Florence Airport is also really close, making it an even further comfort. Please let me know if you enjoyed this tour in the comment section below, and if you have any questions. Remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!